Welcome to Kuber Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI system designed to assist with stock trading decisions in the share market. While we are currently in an experimental phase and refining our engine, we are committed to transparency, documenting, and sharing the outcomes generated by this AI system. It is important to exercise caution when considering these transactions and conduct a thorough research of your own before following our actions. The stock market is inherently volatile and losses can occur unpredictably. Therefore, making informed decisions is paramount. Please note that this video is for education purposes only. You might have noticed that we have not given any buy ideas in the recent past, and the reason for that is the market is very choppy. In fact, in the last two trading sessions, it has only gone down. And that suit follows today as well. So we have seen that Deepak Nitrate um, was a buy idea we shared on 20th of March, and it has gained close to 9%, close to 10% in fact. I think it is a good idea to sell this stock in the near term, and it is also close to so in the near term, it has hit its target of 2320. In the long term as well, it is very close to its target. So it might be a good idea to sell this stock, book your profits, and exit from this one. Another sell idea that we have today is that of Kotak Bank. Now, we know that Kotak Bank was a long-term hold. However, it has gained almost 2.5%, uh, and it is unlikely to go any higher given the market conditions. So it has come close to its target of 1796. So it may be a good idea to sell this one. One more stock where we need to keep an eye on is Devyani Constructions. Uh, Although it has slipped by 3.25% when we gave the recommendation, but this stock looks a very good hold for the long term. So I would not sell this stock right now, but if you think of the medium term, it has breached its lower circuit and gone below 161. However, if you see, it had gone even below on Monday, but it rose by 0.5% yesterday. So I think there is hope that this stock will go up. I would hold on to it, but if you want to cut your losses, you can go ahead and sell this one. So that's all we have for today. Again, I want to emphasize that do not make decisions solely based on this video. Do your own research, and we'll keep you posted on how this AI engine performs. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.